What's up everybody, welcome back to my kitchen where safety is #1 priority, and today we're going to put to the test 5 cherry gadgets. Let's see what I got this time. For the first cherry pita, I got here a cherry pita and it looks like a gun right here. You put one cherry at the time and then press it and the cherry pit going to come out. Let's see how it works. So you grab a cherry and then you push it and the cherry pit came out, and then you have the cherry without the pit. That's cool. Okay, let's do another one. Whoa, that one flew out. So if you go much faster with that, it's even easier. But yeah, one at a time. Did this one come out? Nope, there you go. Sometimes you gotta do it twice. I don't like it that it does not fly out. You kinda have to help it. Well, this time I did. You see, sometimes it misses. Some kind of small cherries or something. Okay, another one, see what happens. You see, if I don't help it out, it doesn't come out all the way. So put the cherry in, and then I have to push it out. So, definitely works. As you can see, all the pits out here, all the cherries out here, but it's kind of slow and you have to keep pushing out the cherry with your finger and get your hands messy. Let's see what else I have. I have here this cherry pita. See what it's all about. It turns like that, and I guess we put one cherry at the time and all the cherries gonna go inside there. I have here a bunch of cherries. You stick it in here, go in. Let's see if to cut the cherry. Again, not all the way. Let's try another one. Actually, yeah, the pits are gonna go inside here. There's one pit in there. Another one. I guess the best way to do it is to hit it harder, so that way the pit flies out. That's actually really easy. I like it. So you just stamp it. You come out. Oh, this one didn't come out, so you gotta be careful. Make sure you get it all the way. You know what, if you slap it real good, it should work. There you go, really firm heat. The cherry pit come out every time. Not every time actually. As you can see, same problem with this gadget, just like the first one. The pit comes out, but sometimes it doesn't. And it's supposed to do it every time. You see how it gets stuck sometimes? So let's see if we can find even better gadget that don't have the same problem where the pit gets stuck. But still, really cool gadget. It just doesn't work all the way. This cherry pita, as you can see, a little bit bigger, but that way you can at least load up a whole bunch of cherries. And is it spinnable? No, I think you just have to hit it just like the other one. Very simple to assemble. And this one already looks really good. You put a bunch of cherries in here that have not been pit, and that way you see they're going to keep rolling. Also you can just help it out. And the coolest part is there's a really good suction cup right here. So let's do that. Oh yeah, it's not moving anywhere. I probably will break off plastic before it's going to move. Then we're gonna stick this back in. Which way? Let's figure it out this way. Boom. So you load up cherries into here. As you can see, we can put even more, but I'm not gonna overload it. And all we have to do, oh by the way, the plate on this side, and all we have to do is just smack it like that. Oh, don't push all the way sometimes. That's a disappointment, but does take off the cherry every time, I mean the pit. There you go, now it works. I guess first time didn't work that well. Just hit it again and again, and we'll take it off. Boom. Wow, look at the pits. This is the best. All the pits in here. Actually, couple of pits did go through into here. I don't know, maybe I just have small cherries, that's why it don't work as well. You know what, I might have figured it out why it does not work. Right here, you're supposed to slide in this little piece in here, and it's going to go through. So now when I'm gonna go through the cherry, the pit is gonna go under that little rubber piece and not going to stay connected to the cherry. Also, cherry not going to go too deep in it either. So let's do this again, but the right way. I have lots of cherries in here. Okay, there goes nothing. Oh wait, another fail, whoops. Gotta stick the pit catcher. Okay, let's go. Now there is perfect time every time. Okay, let's see how I did. Look how many pits are there, and looks like all the cherries without the pits. None of the pits stayed in. There you go. This is the best one. There was a little bit of a fail, but my own fault. And also the extra, you just keep it in here. So that way you have two. So obviously this is probably the best cherry pita, but let's make sure I have a couple more of them. For the next cherry pita, this is multiple cherry pita at the same time. So let's see how it works. Oh, looks like a lot bigger than the picture. Oh, nice. So 3 pieces. Also, this comes out, so 4 pieces. It's going to catch all the pits inside there. So you put a bunch of cherries, boom, 5. And then you just close it back up, I guess. What a fail. I missed them all. Maybe I'm using it wrong. Look, it's just destroyed the cherries. Let's figure it out in the description or something. Okay, you load up the cherries. Oh, okay, makes sense. I'm totally failed. That's why you guys read the description too. So this is how you do it. You open it up, put 5 cherries, 1 more, boom. Then you cover this up. Then it so makes sense. You pit it, take this out. Sounds like taking out a lot of stuff, and looks like there is no pits in here. I annihilated those pits. Very nice. Let's go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 cherries at the same time. Then you cover them up. Sounds like nice, but seems like a lot of work. Whoops, look what happened. You gotta lift them out. So that's the best way. It works really nicely, but there is a lot of unnecessary steps you have to do. Like 1, 2, close it, 3, pop it, then remove it again, and then you remove one of them like that. Or you can just dump it out. But with this one, you just load it up, bum, 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 load it up, bum, 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 remove the pits. So much faster. This one, not so much. So I'll go with this pita for sure. And I have one more cherry gadget. Let's see what this one does. So this one is simple as well, just pops them out. Let's see. One at a time. Did it work? Kind of, actually. Yeah, it did. Let's do another one. Yeah, you know what? This one looks like the funky one for children. So maybe if you can get this one for your kid, it's going to work every time. And they don't have to worry about the pit inside of the cherry. We call cherry pit in Russian kostочка. Same thing as a bone, actually. Such a simple gadget, but it works so good every time. Just slap it. Looks funny. Hopefully your kids figure out how to use it. And now all your cherries without the pit, and it works so well. Looks like they don't get stuck at all, and looks like we can open this up like that. I don't know why there's a zip tie. I mean zip tie stickers. Let's see if it closes back up. No problem. Awesome. Well guys, that's pretty much it. Let me know in comments below what do you think about this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.